Hello, it's Glenn from Caravanland again. Just here to show you how to use the water tanks on this expander, how to fill them and how to empty them and how to use them while you're on your trip. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the water tank system on the expander. It will vary from model to model, but generally speaking it's pretty much like this. So to fill the water tanks, these are the fillers here. You got mains, M for mains, tank 1, tank 2. So basically what you do is you attach your hose. Use your freshwater hose so you don't get a horrible garden taste in there with your garden hose. So use a freshwater hose. Now when you're in a caravan park, just put it on M for mains. Turn your tap on and then you won't need your water pump. It'll just have a good pressure going into the van and then you can use it through the van. But otherwise, if you're free camping or you haven't got access to mains water, tank 1, tank 2, what you do is fill them up. Some people fill them up before they go, some people fill them up halfway through their trip when they get closer, but it's up to you. So fill the water tank up, put your hose on there, freshwater hose, keep it nice and fresh for the tank. Once the tank fills, it will overflow and there will be some sort of sign dripping onto the ground. So then you can change to tank 2, fill up tank 2, and then you're done. So after you've done that, and you want to use your tanks while you're out in the open and you're free camping, it's just up here. We've got this T-junction here to separate the two tanks. So basically you'll have tank 1 here, tank 2 here. Whilst the arrow's pointing down, you use them both tanks together. They'll both go down together. If you want to use one tank, if you're staying somewhere for 2 weeks, then use one tank in case you use it up in 4 days. You know, for the next 7 or 8 days you've got to take it easy. By doing that, you just point the arrow to one tank and you use one tank at a time. Once you use the first tank up, then just twist it to the other side, use your second tank up. You can monitor it through the screen on the inside, so you can keep an eye on the level of your water, so you're not going to run out by the end of your trip. This one here is your grey water tank outlet. So basically when you're finished doing your trip and things, you want to dispose of it, put your hose on there, put it in a safe place where you're allowed to dump your water, open the valve up, that's your grey water done and empty. And then the other 2 tanks or 4 to that will have a valve on each tank to empty them. When you come home, just give them a quick little flush out if you like. That's what I'd do. Just put the hose on there, open up your bungs, let the water run through, but it's up to you how you want to do it. That's pretty much it in the water tanks. So we've got mains, tank 1, tank 2, and the divider here between tank 1 and tank 2. Well, that's it. That's how we use the water tank system on this expander. Hopefully it was useful. If you've got any questions, drop them below, or certainly welcome to come into the dealership. We're more than happy to run through it with you and show you how to do it. Thanks again.